Hey there, Brandy here with Studio Brylan, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Arteza acrylic paint. But before we get to that, I have a special guest. This is Landon, and he will be helping me today by editing this video.
Yeah, I'm good at it.
Yes. Good. He's a very great YouTuber and upcoming YouTuber, and so 12
subs.
I will
subscribe.
I will link all of his information in the description. So, are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I purchased these 12 count of premium quality acrylic paints from Arteza, and as you can see on the back, there are the list of the 12 colors, which are titanium white, lemon yellow, yellow ochre, scarlet red, crimson red, phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, phthalo green, pale green, burnt sienna, burnt umber, and Mars black. I really love the box that Arteza has designed for their art supplies. I just love it. It's so pretty and sleek, and I still keep all of my Arteza art supplies in the box that they came in because it's just gorgeous. As you can see, it comes in a tray, and every tube is aligned by or organized by color, and I just love that. I just love art supplies so much. As you'll see too, at the top of every tube where the color is, there's some information listed on every tube. It has the name of the color, the light fastness rating, the transparency, the pigment number, and the item number. So I think that's always great in case you need to, reorder whatever. Sometimes when you get tubes of paint, the tops of it's like quality sealed, and you have to pierce it with the top of the cap, but these aren't like that. They already come pre-opened, I suppose, but I think I kind of like that. I want to mention one more thing about the light fastness rating of these paints. According to the American Society for Testing of Materials, or ASTM, they give these a light fastness rating of 2 and 3, which is marginal to very good, which also means if these are exposed to indoor lighting, that they won't fade for about 10 to 20 years. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and that it was helpful to you. I do plan on doing a review, and I will list that link in the description below. I will also list some other links in the description about where you can find these paints.
And also my YouTube channel.
And also Landon's YouTube channel. So, have a great day.
Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And press the notification bell so you get notified for any other videos.